Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got these 4 quick and easy hairstyles for you. This tutorial will be in Urdu and English. Carry on watching. So we're going to start off the hairstyle. This is the first one now. So I'm just going to show you how I would actually secure a ponytail. So obviously normally you would take the hair all back and secure it in a ponytail, but that can loosen afterwards. So I like to do it in 2 sections. So I take the bottom section first. So the top section I've just clipped it out the way, and then what I'm doing is taking this bottom section into a ponytail, smoothing out all the hair and tying it up with a bobble. And then what I'm going to do is take the second section after that, smooth it over, and then grab the whole ponytail as one and have it secure as one ponytail. So this is the basis of a lot of these buns that we do, but also for a lot of different hairstyles as well. So I thought I'll just show you how I would do this. सो पोनीटेल मैं कर रही हूँ 2 सेक्शंस में। एक सेक्शन में जब आप करते हैं तो पोनीटेल काफ़ी लूज़ हो जाती है कई दफ़ा, इसलिए आपने देखा था कि ऊपर वाला सेक्शन मैंने अलग किया हुआ था। पहले मैंने नीचे वाला सेक्शन लेके उसको स्मूथ करके पोनीटेल बना लिया, एंड देन अब ऊपर वाला सेक्शन लेके उसी के साथ मतलब स्मूथ कर रही हूँ, एंड देन दोनों को हाथ में लेके एंड इसको एक पोनीटेल में टाई कर दूँगी। तो ये काफ़ी बेसिस होता है, जैसे कई दफ़ा वैसे भी पोनीटेल चाहिए होती है अच्छी सी नीट सी जो सिक्योर रहे, बाद में ऊपर नीचे ना जाए, लूज ना हो जाए, एंड ऑब्वियसली ये ब्राइडल बन्स के लिए भी. So now that I've secured that, that's all being brushed through, and this isn't going to move now basically. This stays really secure. So then I'm just going to give it one final spray, get my comb out and really smooth back any of the flyaways that I've got. सो हेयर स्प्रे की मदद से बस थोड़ा सा भी जो फ्लाई अवे हेयर्स हैं उन सबको स्मूथ की जा रही हूँ कि अच्छा सा स्मूथ आपका फ्रंट होना चाहिए. So next we're going to add a tikka. Now sometimes with some tikka they're not, they don't have a chain that's long enough. Mine actually did have a long enough chain, but I have, I'm just going to show you how I would actually attach that. So what I'm going to do is at the end of the chain is I've actually added some thread. So I normally have this in my kit, and what I do is I just tie it to the hook that you have, and then what you do is you take that piece of thread all the way to the back wherever you need it to and secure it in with a pin, and then I cross it over with 2 grips. And this works a lot. Normally it's better off to have this in probably black, but normally it covers with the white as well, but yeah, I normally tend to have a black one as well. So टिक्का मैं यहाँ पे लगा रही हूँ. कई दफ़ा होता है कि टिक्का की जो चेन होती है ना वो लंबी नहीं होती, तो वहाँ पे ये होता है कि मैं अपने साथ कोई ये कॉटन की थ्रेड रखती हूँ, एंड जहाँ पे एंड पे हुक है वहाँ पे मैंने थ्रेड लगा दी थी, एंड उसको फिर लंबाई लेके जाती हूँ एंड उसको मैं पिन करती हूँ, एंड इस तरीके से आप कोई भी टिक्का सिक्योर कर सकते हैं, एंड ऊपर 2 पिने लगा दिए. अभी ये जो हेयर स्टाइल है इसके जो अपने बाल हैं इनको मैं बस एक लूज सा जूरा कर रही हूँ, बस थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट करके, एंड पिने ध्यान रखें कि मैं कैसे पिन कर रही हूँ. इस तरीके से जब आप पिन करते हैं तो आपको ज़्यादा पिने भी नहीं चाहिए होती और बहुत ज़्यादा सिक्योर से बाल आपके पिन हो जाते हैं. So just have a look at how I'm pinning. I've twisted the hair. All I want is a simple bun because I'm adding flowers, so I didn't want anything too big. So this is a very easy style to do. Just keep an eye on how I'm pinning. So what I'm doing is I grab some hair, pull the pin out and twist it back into the rest of the hair, into the hair. So this way basically you're pinning really securely and you don't need to use as many pins, and you can really feel that it's secure. So if you're just sliding in a bobby pin, it doesn't really secure the hair. So now I've got these flowers. They're called gypsophilias. They're very commonly found in like supermarkets and obviously florists and things like that. So we don't always have flowers whenever we go out and do brides and things like that. So sometimes I'll take some with me if I know I need them for my bride. If not, my bride normally provides them as well. And what I've done is I've just cut them down, leveled them so that they're quite even, and then I'm just using grips to actually pin this in. And what I've done is I've not gone in directly, I've laid them on their side, so it just sits in better because the stems aren't very strong. So you can see what I'm doing is bunching them together, putting a grip around them and then pinning it. So now it's up to you whether you go around the whole bun or whether you actually just have it on one side, or it's completely up to you. सो ये जो पिन है फ्लावर्स मैंने लेके आई हूँ, यहाँ से मिलते हैं जिप्सोफिलियाज। इनको मैंने बस काट के इनके ऊपर एक ग्रिप लगा देती हूँ। बॉबी पिन जो होता है इसको अपने साइड वेज में ज़्यादातर करके तो इसको लगाई जा रही हूँ, क्योंकि इसकी जो स्टेम होती है ना वो इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होती, तो टूट जाती है अगर ऐसे सीधे लगाएं बालों में। इसी मैं थोड़ा सा इसको साइड पे कर देती हूँ। फिर यहाँ से आपकी अपनी मर्ज़ी है कि कितने आपने फूल लगाने हैं, साइड पे लगाने हैं या पूरे जूरे के मतलब राउंड जाना है आपने, तो इससे पास एक अच्छी सी इफेक्ट आ जाती है। ये फूल कई दफ़ा मैं साथ लेके जाती हूँ, कई दफ़ा मेरी ब्राइड ने खुद रखे हुए होते हैं, तो वो हम आपस में कर लेते हैं कि फूल लगाने हैं या नहीं। So you can see that it is a very simple hairstyle, but it looks really effective as well. So I'm just going to show you 3 more different types of buns you can do. There are so many variations, but I just thought I'd quickly show you this and how to use fresh flowers. Sometimes brides don't always have fresh flowers, so I will just go through the flowers that they've got at home, because they tend to have loads of gifts and bouquets lying around, so I'll just grab that. So the next hairstyle, I would do exactly what I've done to the first on the first hairstyle, but then I go in with this braid. So this is a jumbo braid. I will try and link below where you can get these from, but you can normally get these from Afro-Caribbean shops. I think every city has a few of those, and you can just walk in and grab a few. They're about £3 to £4, I think. Might even be less actually. So you can see how I've applied this. So basically what I've done is I'm just twisting it around. At the top I've added my pins, and then I'm just going to twist this around and I'm pinning as I go along. Now this is how I actually did the hairstyle in the last video I showed you, but I don't think you could see it completely. In this one we're adding flowers, so I'm not bothering adding anything in the middle at the moment. In the other hairstyle I actually took some of this hair towards the middle so it covered everything. So there's a few options here, but I just wanted to show you how I was doing this. So it's up to you whether how neatly you do it at the back when you're covering the middle bit as well. So यहाँ पे मैंने ये जंबो ब्रेड ली है। ये आपको अफ्रीका शॉप से मिल जाती है, या कोई भी अगर है पीस आपके पास इस टाइप का है तो इसको आपने जूरा बनाना है। इससे ये है कि आपको अच्छी हाइट मिल जाती है। जब आगे से आपने फ्लैट बाल रखने हैं और पीछे से बस आपको एक हाइट सी चाहिए कि दुपट्टा का वेट जो है वो ले ले। So so this is a really nice hairstyle to do. It takes that, you can see I'm just trying to show you where that's where the scarf would actually sit. So it sits quite nicely. It's not flat, but it's not weighing down on the front of the hair as well. So this is a really nice hairstyle to do. And then I'm just gonna, again, we can add flowers in that middle bit if you wanted to. I'm just showing you examples here. And if you wanted to, you can have them there, or you can add flowers elsewhere. So I just decided to add a few roses on the side. So again, I've just pinned them in, cut them down a little bit, and then I'll just show you from the back as well. All I'm doing is placing them down, and then on the stem adding a grip. You can sometimes use the U-pins and go right through the middle of the flower as well. But sometimes your flower breaks like that, so it's a bit risky when you've not got that many flowers to hand. So this is how I did it basically. So फूल यहाँ पे मैंने लगा दिए थे साइड पे बॉबी पिन से, एंड बस ये साइडों से मैंने फूल आपको दिखा दिए थे. So this style, basically, there are so many different versions of this bun that I'm going to show you, but this is one of the easiest ones that I'm showing you first. So I've got my ponytail, so I did my ponytail like I did in the very first hairstyle I've shown you. So now I've got this Kinky Bulk padding, which is the hair padding I use. So I've taken one, and what I'm doing is I've put the ponytail up, and underneath I'm going to add my padding. So I'm going to add about 2 of these and see whether that's enough for me. So the whole point is I'm going to bring that ponytail over, and it's going to give me a nice rounded bun. So यहाँ पे मैंने पोनीटेल को उठा लिया, नीचे मैं अपनी पैडिंग लगा रही हूँ. ये पैडिंग मैं नीचे लिंक कर दूँगी जहाँ से मिलती है, but again Afro-Caribbean shop से मिल जाती है, and it's about £6 for a pack, and you can get this in different colours as well. So again, I'm just pinning it in securely, and then I'm going to take the top of the ponytail and smooth it over. But I'm going to do this in sections. So as you can see, the top of the padding is a bit too high, so I'm just pinning that down now, and it's pretty much level with the ponytail. Now, there are ways of hiding the ponytail when you actually do this, but I'm showing you a very simple way this time. You can hide the ponytail, but I'll show you that in another video. But at the moment I knew I was covering it with flowers, so I'm not fussed in getting that covered. So I'm going to take two sections, so one section's out of the way, and then this last section that I've got here I'm going to start back combing, but again I'm back combing it in sections, and I just want to get enough volume here and structure so that I can actually spread this out and cover the padding. I'm back combing underneath with a comb, but I do back comb at the top sometimes. As you can see, that gives you a lot more structure and a lot more volume, so you can do that, especially when it's the bottom section of the hair. I like to do it there as well. So दो सेक्शन कर दिए पोनी टेल के, एंड जो बॉटम सेक्शन है इसके छोटे छोटे सेक्शंस लेके बैक कॉम कर रही हूँ, एंड देन आपको नज़र आ रहा है कि इसको स्प्रेड किए जा रही हूँ. सो अब मैंने इसको अपने जो पैडिंग है उसके ऊपर लेके आना है. सो ऊपर से कंघी के साथ थोड़ा थोड़ा मैं कॉम कर रही हूँ, लेकिन मतलब वो जो कंघी है ना वो बीच में से नहीं जा रही बालों से, मतलब ऊपर वाला जो सेक्शन उसको बस थोड़ा सा स्मूथ कर रही हूँ, एंड देन अपने हाथों से उसको एडजस्ट करके आपको नज़र आ रहा है मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, एंड इसको फिर मैं पिने लगा दूँगी कि ये अपना पैडिंग जो है ना कवर कर ले, एंड देन फिर फाइनल सेक्शन करूँगी. So once I've back combed it, I just took my comb and I smoothed out the very top layer. So my comb didn't go through the whole layer of hair, it just went through the top layer. I added hairspray and smoothed it down, and then what I've done is spread it out and then used two pins either side to make sure it actually sits where I need it to sit, and then I've added my pins. Now the next section I've taken, and again in sections I'm going to start back combing, but you can see I've not back combed it backwards. I've done the middle section to the back, and then the side sections are being back combed a little bit to the side, just so that everything sits properly. So ये जो top section है इसको मैंने back comb कर रही हूँ. ये मेरा obviously main section है, so I need this to be nice and smooth. And इसको मैंने ये किया है कि पीछे की तरफ भी लेके आई हूँ, and then side के section थोड़े से side की तरफ रख के तो back comb किया. अब इसको वही कंघी के साथ hairspray के साथ थोड़ा सा smooth कर रही हूँ, and इसको इसकी setting कर रही हूँ कि मतलब सारा कुछ cover हो जाए. So you're just gonna take your comb and at an angle you take it down to smooth out the hair. And I'm using hairspray as well, and any bits that I think are kind of like out the way I'm just pinning. So I've got a small elastic bobble here, elastic band, and what I'm going to do is I've smoothed it all out using my hands, and then I'm going to grab all the hair and tie that in a ponytail. So you can start tucking away with pins here as well, but I think this is a really easy way to do it. So I'm holding in position, smoothing everything out, using my comb to lift the hair out as well, and then I'm just taking my elastic band and just tying it. Now there I've got quite a bit of hair here, so I've only done it literally the once, but you can twist it again. So इसको आप यहाँ से आप पिन भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मैंने इसको स्मूथ करके ना तो नीचे से इसको टाई कर लिया है एक बॉबल के साथ. तो दूसरे तरीके बहुत ज़्यादा तरीके हैं ये स्टाइल करने के लिए, लेकिन ये मुझे काफ़ी इजी लगता है तो मैंने कहा आप लोगों को दिखा दूँ. सो बैक कोमिंग करके स्मूथ करके नीचे से टाई कर लिया, एंड फिर नीचे वाला जो हिस्सा है इसको एक पिन लेके तो अंदर की साइड पे आपको नज़र आ रहा होगा कैसे करूँ, इसको टक कर दूँगी और पिन कर दूँगी. So what I did is I grabbed that piece of hair, I twisted it around, and then I'm just pinning it to the underside, so you can't see any pins and you can't see any of the hair. And then the top section again, I've used the same flowers. You've got my daughter in the background as well, and I'm just pinning in the flowers. The ticker pins, by the way, I know you can see them sticking out, but I was just showing you a lot of different hairstyles on the same mannequin, so it was just there and I forgot to take that pin out. And यहाँ पे ऊपर मैंने फूल लगा दिया. अगेन आप पूरे जूरे पे मतलब साइड पे भी आ सकते हैं, सिर्फ इधर मिडल में रख सकते हैं, ये आपकी मर्ज़ी है, लेकिन आपको बस मैंने सोचा है कि डिफरेंट टाइप के हेयर स्टाइल्स दिखा देती हूँ. और ये बहुत अच्छा स्टाइल है. ऑब्वियसली इसकी आगे से आप सेटिंग भी डिफरेंट कर सकते हैं. पीछे ये बन रख के आगे से आप और चीज़ें भी कर सकते हो, साइड पार्टिंग कर लें, सेंटर कर लें, जो भी कर लें, लेकिन ये एक तरीका है इस बन को करने के लिए. And this is a stunning bun to do on a bride. And now my final one. So this basically, again, I've got a ponytail. This hair here, I just want to twist it around and get rid of it. So I'm just going to, I'm keeping it quite flat though, as flat as possible. My mannequin has a lot of hair as well, but some brides do, some brides don't. But you're just going to literally get rid of this hair. So I'm just pinning it out of the way. So same ponytail पहले से है, and then जो बाकी के hair है इनको मैंने छोटा सा जूरा करना है, जितना flat कर सकती हूँ इसको कर रही हूँ, and then इसके ऊपर हमने hair piece लगाना है. So the next hair piece I'm using, this is called a hair twirl, and you can get this from, well, online, and I will link the website below. You get this in lots of different colors. So it's called a hair twirl, and it's got like an elastic going through the middle of it. So what I've done is I've clipped it in. There's a clip there, but I always go over with a grip because it's just not secure enough. And then I've secured it, and now I'm going to crisscross it and take it across the bun, and I'm just pinning it in. सो ये हेयर ट्वेल है, इसको मैं लिंक कर दूंगी कि यहाँ से ये किधर से मिलता है। तो इसको मैं अटैच करके तो इसके साइड पे ना क्लिप्स होती हैं, तो उधर मैं बॉबी पिन्स लगा देती हूँ। तो इसको ऐसे आपने क्लिप कर देना है जिस तरीके से मैंने अभी दिखाया है, अक्रॉस द बन लेके जा रही हूँ। एंड देन ये जो बाकी के बाल हैं ना, ऑब्वियसली ये थोड़े से रफ़ लग रहे हैं, तो इनको मैं थोड़े थोड़े लेके इनको मैं सही कर लेती हूँ। सो पहले तो इसकी मैं पोजीशन कर रही हूँ, इसमें बीच में ना जैसे इलास्टिक होता है तो उधर से मैं पिन कर रही हूँ। एंड देन जो बाकी के बाल है उनको मैं ट्विस्ट करके तो पिन कर दूँगी एज वेल। सो मेरा ये तरीका होता है कि आई डोंट वांट टू सी कि पिन्स ना नज़र आए। सो थोड़े से बाल लेके उसमें पिन लगा देती हूँ, एंड देन उसको थोड़ा सा खींच के फिर ट्विस्ट करके अंदर लगा देती हूँ। सो आई विल जस्ट शो यू इन अ सेकंड एज वेल। यहाँ से ऐसे बाल लेके पिन लगा के एंड देन थोड़ा सा उसको ना पुल कर लेते हो नीचे, ऐसे नीचे, एंड देन ट्विस्ट करके और अंदर पिन कर दें। So once I've pinned everything, what I'm doing now is just neatening the bun up because there's lots of obviously loose ends. So you can see how I'm pinning. So what I do is grab a section of the hair, put my grip on it, and then I pull the section down a little bit and then twist it back into the bun. So that's a neat way of pinning it. So you can see what I'm doing, and I'm doing it in different directions wherever I think it looks right. And then once I'm happy with that, I'll spray it all down. And this is a really easy bun to do as well, especially when you've got people who just want to have a scarf or just a scarf setting on, and they just want some kind of jura just to hold the weight of the butta really sometimes. And then again, I've just added some roses here just to show you what it looks like, you know, different ways of doing stuff. आखिर में मैंने फूल ऐड कर दिए हैं, बस ये थोड़े से आपके लिए ये हेयर स्टाइल्स थे. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's quite a quick video, a lot of you know, tips though, hopefully, and hopefully give me a thumbs up, and I will see you soon. Okay, take care, bye bye.